my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the XEM coin, friends. What's the currently price of XEM? What's the price change goes at this time in an XEM coin? And a lot of people ask me this question, that why the change become negative, friends. Only and only negative change occur in the Sapun coin at this time, friends. So what should we do at this time? Is it the best time to buy, sell, or hold, friends? So finally I can't reply everyone. That is why I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And remember that if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. Thank you so much. Now friends, let's see the price prediction chart of the XEM coin at this time, friends. As you can see here, the last 2 hour price change is on the screen, friends. That is the latest update of XEM coin. Oh my god, and here is the good news: 2.75 positive change occurred in the XEM in the last 1 day, friends. And the highest price is about 0.341607 USD dollar is the highest price of XEM coin, friends. So now if we look the price chart of the Sapun XEM coin at this time, friends, so there is a circulation occurs in this time, friends. If we do a technical analysis, friends, so let's suppose that is a support line, friends. Let's suppose, and that is our resistance line, friends. So they continue a sell between these two lines, friends. Continues from the last 2 hour, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, and now they go straight, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, friends. So now I think it's time to fast down again, and if they fast for a little time, so again they take a jump, friends. And I'm sure that they can easily hit the resistance level, and when the resistance break, when the resistance level break, so that's mean that the high jumps occur in the XEM quadrant. So what should we do at this time, friends? As you know, the last 2 hour price change as positive, friends. Last 2 hour price change is positive, friends. That's mean that now the XM coin start jumping, friends. So as I show you the last 1 day change as negative, friends. So that is why my suggestion for all of you to hold your coin and recover the previous negative change occur in the XM coin, friends. What's your opinion about XM? Please also share in the comment box, friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.